around.
You want to tell them about our experience when we tried to go skinny dipping one night?
Oh yeah.
Oh my
at Winfred
God,
Beach.
at Winfred Beach. Wagwan people.
Wagwan, wagwan.
Yes, Rasta. It's Alan Boy Africa
And Maria.
yeah, man. So we're here again, guys, and we're about to play a game with you all. You understand? And it's called Who's Most Likely To. You understand? So.
Babes most likely to do everything.
No, sir. So if you're new to this channel, you understand. Just please subscribe to our channel, you understand? Click the notification bell, leave a like, drop a comment at the end if you like this video and everything, you understand? Do what you do. Yeah, man. So let's get straight into the video. Let's go now.
Let's go. Alright guys, so who is most likely to send a dirty text to the wrong person?
Yes.
It has happened before.
Oh
I
my
think
God.
I can't remember, and it went to the wrong person, and oopsie.
I've never done anything like that.
Yeah, actually, talking about dirty texts, I got a text the other day from the one of the Airbnb
Owner
of the apartment
yeah.
that we stayed in. He said, "Hey, babe." I'm like,
yeah, and then he was like,
"Oh, sorry, not you."
yeah, like,
I'm like, okay then, that's
crazy.
interesting.
Yeah.
So who is most likely to forget why they walked into a room? Now, this one's a good one.
Like, I think I have dementia or something. Like, people, it's no joke. Like, I forget things a lot. You know, it's no joke. I forget things a lot. Not the most, not the, you know, like the important things, like birthdays and anniversary and all of that stuff. I don't forget that. But when it comes to certain things, like I would go in the room and be like, what did I came here for again? Or even be looking for something, and even it's in my hand, and I'm like, where is it? Looking all over for the place and realize this thing is in my hand. I completely forgot.
He
It's
does.
crazy.
He does. He really does forget things a lot.
It's no joke.
But he hasn't got dementia, because we can't diagnose you on the fact that you forget things. We're only human, right, guys? And
Oh
we
my
all forget
God.
things.
Yeah.
So, okay, so next question is, who is most likely to embarrass the other person while drunk? Babe doesn't drink, so we know. he didn't wait 1 minute, guys. He just went straight up to the camera.
Course.
Maria.
Of course. Yep.
I have.
I remember even one night when you had a bit of drink. She drank I don't remember exactly how much she had, but basically we're heading home because she was driving. You understand? And she wanted to go straight home, and I was telling her, babe, stop here, because she was really getting there. You understand? And I was like, babe, please stop the car now. Let's rest here. You understand? Because I could see it in her eyes, like everything started changing. And I was like, babe, stop the car. You understand? So yeah. It wasn't embarrassing or anything, it just was safety and everything, but yeah, it could have been worse. So
there was one time though, like I don't drink much, like I used to. I think I used to be a big drinker back when, but now I don't drink much, and when I do drink, I tend to enjoy them a little bit too much, at the sense where at the time as I kind of, you know, I don't say, I still know what I'm doing, I just like to have fun, you know, I'm a fun person to be around. For all those that know me, they know that I'm really fun and outgoing and stuff. And well, you know, there was one time that I just had a craze, you know, with little kids, little babies. That was last time I was here in Jamaica.
Yeah,
and his friend Prince Jace was with us, and we had a few cocktails at a bar, Club 100 in Jamaica. If you're ever in Jamaica, go check it out, because it's a really nice club. The only problem is it's freezing cold in there once you're in there. Especially
for me.
Yeah, it was cold. Even for me, as a foreigner and as a tourist and that, you know, in hot weather, going into like an ice cold club, it was crazy because it's cold. So yeah, and I saw a baby, and I was just like constantly, oh, you know, how cute.
Yeah.
And I actually got to hold the baby. The mother allowed me to actually hold the baby, and I was like, yeah, okay, this is cool. I'm taking the baby home, and then babe was like, babe, give the baby back, give the baby back.
And then she started talking like loud, like her voice just went up there, you know, and she even stopped the security. She stopped to talk to the security guard, saying, you know, you're sleeping, man, you're sleeping on the job, and all of that, you know. And I was like, babe, come on, let's go. I had to hold her hand and, you know, went back to our
I was having fun, and he was sleeping on the job.
I had to stop her. I had to stop her from drinking because.
Well, I had to tell him, you don't sleep on the job.
She felt too nice drinking.
Yeah, we never fall asleep. For all those people that do night shifts and shifts, like shift work, they know for a fact we don't sleep. This guy was having the best sleep of his life. When we walked in, this is before I had a drink. After I had a drink, I went, no, I'm going to tell him. He was sleeping when we walked in here. We could have been, you know, terrorists or whatever. Or not even say terrorists, just, you know, people that are just randomly, you know, club bashers or gate crashers or whatever you call them. And so, you know, he was sleeping on the job, so he had to be told. And he was like, no, I wasn't. No, I wasn't.
Yeah, he was like, no, I wasn't sleeping on the job. Acting like, you know, but yeah, that was a cool experience.
That was, yeah.
I guess.
I guess it was his experience to see me a little bit tipsy. I wasn't drunk. Because drunk to me is when you can't actually hold a conversation with someone.
There was one time I basically, what could I say? I embarrassed you, or I almost embarrassed her. Remember when we had that wee brownie? We were coming from, which race we were coming from, right? Yeah, and we stopped at this place close to Dunsborough Falls. You understand? And babe, we got a weed brownie. First time trying it ever. You understand? I didn't know what it was like. And I was like, okay, you know, babe knew about it and stuff. And then, alright, so first I pulled it, I opened it and said, alright, I'm gonna try this weed brownie. It seems nice. You know, and I taste, I'm like, yeah, it tastes real good. You know, weed and yeah, it just tastes so good. And I was like, I'm gonna enjoy this, you know, and it even said on the label basically effective in 30 minutes. And believe me, when that hit me, because we're heading back to Port Antonio, you know, and when that hit me, believe me, I lost my mind. You understand? I thought I was going insane. Like I started seeing the sky stretching. I even saw a goat, and I thought the goat ran out into the road, and babe was like, babe, the goat is over there, it's not in the road. I started hallucinating, started seeing all kind of crazy things.
And he thought he was falling into a ditch.
Like, yeah, like
help me, and I'm like,
real.
Am I gonna take him to Port Antonio Hospital?
Like,
what am I gonna do? This guy's flipping out on me.
I laughed, I cried, I laughed, I cried, I laughed, I cried. That's so the whole time, you know, heading back to Port Antonio, it was a real bad experience, you know. But yeah, I would never do that again. Never.
Yeah, he's a super duper. Never eat. Don't give him anything. Alcohol, no. Smoke, no. Anything, don't, because he won't his body just doesn't react to it as good. Yeah.
Yeah. I'll do one more.
One more.
All right.
Okay. Who is likely to go skinny dipping with their friends? Would you do that?
I ain't doing that with no friend.
For those who know me,
my woman.
Yeah, for those who know me, I would do it with friends as well, because I have done it back in school days, like we mucking around.
You want to tell them about our experience when we tried to go skinny dipping one night?
Oh yeah.
Oh my
at Winfred
God,
Beach.
at Winfred Beach in Port Antonio, guys. We said that we're gonna go skinny dipping because we've been talking about it for a long time, and so we decided, alright, we're gonna do this, you know. Went there about 7:30 in the night, you know, went to the beach. There was no one on the beach, you know, and it started drizzling by the time we got there, and yeah, like after it started drizzling, I was like, Jesus, this feels cold. You know, and stripped naked, you know. I go into the water, and the water felt so cold, guys. Like, I was like, no, babe, let's get out of this. And right as we went into the water, the big shower of rain just came. And lightning was flashing, thunder was rolling. I was like, no way, let's get out of this.
He wanted to get out. I actually wanted to get in. I think rainy weather in sea water is perfect.
Rain is perfect, but believe me,
he got
I
scared.
hate the cold. I hate anything cold, like, no joke. You know, so yeah, we both together.
Just this morning, we went to this shopping centre supermarket here in Kingston, and here in Kingston, I've never been in this supermarket.
Yeah,
it's
at
like
Sovereign
just like
Centre.
it's just basically like you're overseas, like you're back
Yeah,
at home.
lot of imported stuff, you know,
Yeah,
fruits, veggies, and all kind of food products.
yeah.
You know what I mean? So yeah, a lot of it. It's like a foreign supermarket, you could say, because yeah, it has more stuff from overseas, you know, imported.
Definitely. And so, you know, he was freezing cold, like his hands turned ice within 5 minutes.
I was in there and I couldn't wait to come out.
He just wanted to get out. He was like freezing cold. So he's a cold frog.
Yeah.
He really, he
I hate the
really,
cold.
really hates the cold. And
Yeah.
I mean, I love the warmth, so I'm hot-bodied person, I guess.
Yeah,
Okay, so the next question, there's one more question,
Okay.
which is probably, I don't know, we'll see how it goes. So who is most likely to get jealous over something silly?
You're taking forever. No. That's you.
Both of us. And I'll tell you why, because we're so,
Well, I get jealous. I'm not gonna lie, but
I don't even know what to say.
yeah,
I don't even know what to say. We both do.
yeah, we both.
But if it was over something really silly, me.
Yeah, true.
I'm
True.
probably, me.
She gets hot-headed.
That's the word I had.
No joke. But yeah, so that's it, guys. That's it for who is most likely to. You understand? And I wanna give a big shout out to Alive 13. You understand? A German brand. You understand? So they sponsored me.
And
Yeah,
I want to give a big shout out to Island Boy Africa.
Yeah. So
Because he is, but obviously, yes, Alive 13 is really good. Big up.
Brand from Germany. You understand? And yeah, he sponsored me a couple shirts and yeah, it's and also a bum bag. I don't have it with me, but yeah, his designs are wicked, guys. I will leave a link in the description. You can check out his work. You know his design. Yeah, very independent guy. I understand. So yeah, man. And Island Boy Africa.
Island Boy Africa
Yeah,
shirts.
subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe to Babe's channel and all of that good stuff.
Yeah.
If you want a shirt, there are more that needs to be ordered.
Link up on Instagram, you understand?
Facebook,
Everything is in
Instagram.
the description.
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah, man. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, you know, if you want us to do any other challenge or anything. Well, basically, I don't think we can do any other challenge by the time they see this for now, because while we're making this video right now, it's Babe's last day in Jamaica. You understand? So yeah, crazy. But yeah, thanks for watching again, guys. You understand?
It is my last day here, but I'm sure that we can, maybe do videos overseas, like put them 2 and 2.
Yeah.
Me doing one part or something like that. We'll work
Yeah,
it
we'll
out.
see.
But just the one thing I want to say is, if Tyrone's mum's watching, thank you very much for giving me a call today. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you when I come next time. Alright, and yeah, to the whole fan bands, thank you.
Yeah.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Let's go now.